I haven't seen a bunch of videos on the Atlas Crossport window switch. So I went to Volkswagen and they quoted me $336 to fix this simple part right here for the main window switch on the driver's side. So in an attempt to save money, I'm going to do it myself. I got the part on Amazon for $17, and it's pretty much the same thing. All right, it's an aftermarket part. So this is the new part right here. And this is the old, so it's pretty much the same exact thing, no difference. It's a pretty simple fix. I don't see why they want to charge $336 for it, but simply what I'll be doing is just putting this into here. All right, simply just sliding this into here and putting it back on the door. So I already started on the door. All I gotta do is pop the door back off and just connect the wires and connect this, and that's it. So I figured out what happened with this. These pieces right here were supposed to be connected, fell out. So that was the whole issue. Like I said, it's a simple fix. It ain't gonna take too long. I'm gonna pull this red piece out, and then we're gonna push right here on this black piece, and that's gonna free it up. All right, so for this right here, we're gonna slide this into it. So just turn it over, put it in, and just slide it in. We gotta make sure that these clips pop in, so these right here need to go inside. So you just hear them click. So like I said, I already took the door off. So before you take it off, you will see a screw right here. It is a 6-star, so you'll need a 6-point to get that out, right? And then from there, you will see down here, it's gonna be this little piece right here. You'll want it to be upright so you can get this door off. All right, so a quick test run just to make sure that it's working. You can stop it, you can let it back up all the way down. Same thing for the other one. So like it's a go. I was having issues with the passenger side. The passenger side didn't want to go up by itself. I had to always manually hold it until it let it up by itself. So that was the issue. So simple fix, man. $17, less than 30 minutes to get this done. Once you pop the door off, it's just simple as hell. It's easy. All you're doing is just popping that out, switching it out, and putting the door back on.